This is our planet. It contains astonishing arrays of oceans. Since time began, they have gone through extraordinary changes and effects, many not being positive. What is happening to our waters? Well, we take a look into everyday human life. Plastic is a major contributor to our water pollution. Things such as juice containers, yogurt containers, and any other type of storage container that we use can all be put into polluting our waters. Many humans litter, and such a simple task can be the cause of devastating effects. By not putting this plastic in the bin, it will manage to make its way through the wind and into our gutters. From the gutters, it can travel into our storm drains. And where do our storm drains end up? Well, through travelling through pipes, it ends up here in our rivers. These rivers travel on and connect to our beautiful oceans. Unfortunately, it's not just the waters that are getting affected, it's what lies beneath it. Beneath our beautiful seas is the marine life, and this plastic finds its way to them and can become life-threatening. It has also been found in traces of tuna that we humans consume. Although shocking, plastic is not the only thing that is harming our waters and our marine life. There are container ships that float above our marine life. These ships carry barrels and barrels of oil. Unfortunately, they don't stay on the ships. Through rough seas or high winds, these barrels can make their way off, which results in massive spills throughout our ocean. We take a look back into our marine habitat. The oil doesn't just affect the water, it affects their home. If the animals are lucky enough not to become sick by the oil, they are forced to leave their habitat. These are not the only events that are occurring throughout the sea. In 2010, our very own Great Barrier Reef was struck by a container ship because they didn't stay within the permitted lines. Kilometres and kilometres of this beautiful reef was destroyed and damaged, again ruining the habitat of these marine life. However, different areas have now been declared protected. In 2003, there was a plan put forth to stop things like this occurring, which is different rules and regulations put forth to protect the reef. We have here a map of the zoning areas permitted for different types of activity. As we can see from this, many types of vessels are not allowed in certain areas and need a permit to be able to access them. This way, container ships know to steer clear of our protected areas, such as the Great Barrier Reef. Not only what our government has done, but what everyday humans can do. If only we put our rubbish in the bin, and in the correct bin, as so that the materials can be recycled and reused. This way, we can turn these negative changes to our waters into positive ones.